Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make stir fry with cabbage. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need fresh, crisp cabbage, about half a head, and your preferred protein, like 8 ounces of chicken. Chop all vegetables into roughly 1-inch pieces for even cooking. Prepare your stir fry sauce. A simple blend of 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. This prep ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's get cooking. Heat about 1 tablespoon of high smoke point oil, like canola or peanut oil, in your wok or a large skillet over medium-high heat until it's shimmering. Add your protein and sear it until it's cooked through and has a nice golden brown crust. Remove the protein and set it aside. Next, quickly sauté your minced garlic and grated ginger for about 30 seconds until fragrant, being careful not to burn them. It's time for the star of the show, the cabbage. Add your chopped cabbage to the hot pan. Stir-fry it vigorously for about 3 to 5 minutes. You want it to be tender crisp, still retaining a bit of its crunch, not soggy. Once the cabbage reaches this perfect texture, return your cooked protein to the pan. Finally, pour in your prepared stir-fry sauce, tossing everything together to coat evenly and heat through for about 1 minute. Your delicious cabbage stir-fry is now ready. Garnish it with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds or some freshly chopped green onions for extra flavor and visual appeal. Serve this amazing dish immediately over a bed of fluffy steamed rice or your favorite noodles for a truly satisfying and quick meal. It's a fantastic way to enjoy vegetables. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a highly recommended book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.